Hi everybody, it's Andrea Vecchio, getting ready to film the second episode of Design Your Home. This space right here might look somewhat familiar. It's where we filmed the first episode of Design Your Home. It's my bedroom. But now we're gonna be headed to Huron, Ohio to meet a couple who had very different views than what they wanted. She was looking for Farmhouse Chic. He was looking for something that was a little bit more of a Vegas inspiration. So I'm really curious to see what Joe from Herman's Furniture does with this space. I'm here at Herman's Furniture, and I told you that we're headed to a home in Huron where the husband and wife kind of had different ideas of what they wanted. This piece of granite, which is kind of like a red and gray marbled color, was the inspiration. I want to introduce you to Joe. You've heard about Joe from Herman's because I talked about him in the first episode. You're talked about in this episode to come, and it's good to finally have you on the series. So we're looking here, Joe, at this piece of granite.
Yes.
And the husband in this team, he loved this, right?
Cory was all about this granite. So when I got involved in the project, we had two cabinets at a bar. We had a cherry tone and a white tone that they had already decided, installed, and then they were at a pass.
Okay.
They had a bunch of different ideas. She wanted sort of this farmhouse chic. He's very contemporary. He wanted sort of this Vegas lounge. She was not completely on board.
I can understand. Those are very different wants, right?
So he found this granite and was dead set on this granite. And she was like, no way. So I said, let's just keep an open mind. Let's see if we can create something with the granite that everyone's happy with.
This is the before space of the basement in the home, which the homeowners inherited from the previous homeowners. You see the golden oak flooring, yellow paint. There was a big bar with Cory tile, and it kind of had a 90s vibe to it. The current homeowners never used it, but it was a big space and the owners had big ideas. They were just different ideas. And this is where Joe from Herman's Furniture plays the role of visionary and mediator. So Jess and Cory, your place is beautiful. Clearly you create beautiful things. This is Eliza. Hi, Eliza. Hi, baby girl. What do you like? What do you think of your new space? I think she's happy down here, right?
I think so.
So what I think is interesting is that you both had very different ideas of what you wanted to do with this space, right?
Yes.
But it didn't cause war, did it?
No.
What's that? Okay, so the inspirations. Let's start with the granite. Cory, this was kind of your other baby, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Where did you find this?
it's a Brazilian material. It's called Red Hollywood. And when I was first talking to Jess and Joe, I said, if we're going to do this, I got to have this, and we have to work with this. And
I was against it.
Yeah,
As soon as you heard red granite.
I saw the picture first. He showed me a picture, and he was like, and I said no, and he said, we'll see it in person. And then when he brought it in person, I was like, no.
So, but you ultimately said, okay.
I'll give it an idea.
Okay.
Well, Joe helped us. He said, let me put together some samples and some fabrics and some ideas.
Okay, so Cory, this space behind us turned out to be one of your favorite spots, which you didn't think would happen. It was just.
I was a little worried about what we were doing with the background tile that we put up there. I was like, and then when Joe brought the furniture in, I was like, it's perfect. I love it.
With the fireplace.
Yes.
And I guess Eliza likes it too.
Yes.
And what about your favorite spot down here?
I'd have to say the TV area
Me too.
would be the spot. It when we were going with the red granite, we had looked up some ideas and thought maybe a red leather couch would work over there, but it was kind of out of the budget, and Joe alerted me to that, and it really ended up being a happy accident, and it ended up better than the initial plan. So.
Well, I have total couch envy down
Yes.
here because that sectional looks so comfortable, like you can just sink into it. So let's just maybe switch spots because I think it's time for Eliza crawl around on the couch or the floor rather than the bar.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so let's go check
All
out this space. The great thing about this space is that I feel like it could be a solo space where you just chill out on your own or you can entertain here. It's very cozy and comfortable, and I'm guessing you have a lot of friends and a lot of family because there's a lot of seating
Yes,
too.
definitely. You know, in so many places of our home, we don't have a huge seating, so it was really nice that we were able to incorporate so many pieces and give an option for people to sit, whether it's on the couch or the chairs, or bringing in some extra ottomans to pull up when there's an overflow. So it's been a nice, it's been a nice one.
When you first saw this space after the whole makeover happened, I mean, considering what it looked like before, did it exceed your expectations?
Oh, for sure. Definitely. I mean, it was just a perfect marriage between all, you know, my husband's idea of what he wanted and what I wanted, and then, you know, what Joe from Herman's was able to bring in to the space was, it just all kind of went together perfectly. So definitely blown away with the results.
Our track record is very good now. We have lots of happy customers on this series. And if you want to be a part of Design Your Home or want your space featured, just shoot us a message over at hermansfurniture.com or pop into either location in Sandusky or Avon Lake.